How can I verify an HVAC repair actually fixed the issue? You can verify it by checking that the system reaches the correct temperature, runs normally, and passes a basic safety and performance check. After the repair, set your thermostat several degrees away from the room temperature and watch whether the system starts, runs steadily, and shuts off when the target temperature is reached. Check several supply vents for strong, consistent airflow, and make sure the return vent is pulling air in without unusual noise. For cooling, place a thermometer near a return vent and another near a supply vent. A temperature difference of about 15 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit is often normal, though the exact range depends on the equipment and weather. For heating, make sure warm air continues coming from the vents and that the system does not repeatedly start and stop within a few minutes. Listen for new rattling, grinding, buzzing, or squealing sounds and check for unusual smells, water leaks, ice, or error lights. Let the system complete at least one full cycle instead of judging it after only a few minutes. A useful detail is that a system may feel improved while still having a hidden airflow problem, because restricted filters, blocked ducts, or closed vents can make one room comfortable while stressing the equipment. Ask the technician what was repaired, what readings they took, and whether they tested refrigerant pressure, electrical parts, airflow, or safety controls when those checks apply. A common mistake is changing the thermostat repeatedly, which makes the system appear unreliable, so choose a reasonable setting and give it time to complete a cycle. Another mistake is checking only one room. Compare several rooms and inspect the filter, vents, and return grill for blockage. Do not ignore a quick return of the original problem, water near the indoor unit, burning smells, or a circuit breaker that trips, because those signs require a prompt professional inspection rather than repeated resets. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.